Are you struggling to position text in the corner of your UI image? It can be really frustrating when your text gets cut off. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we will solve this issue together. I totally get it. You want your text to look perfect, but when it gets cut off, it can ruin the whole image. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with images and text. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked how to draw text in the top or bottom right corner of an UI image without it getting cut off. They provided an extension that works well, but the text positioning is the issue. Sound familiar? Let's dive in. So what's happening here? When the text is too long or too big, it spills out of the image boundaries. We need to adjust the origin point so that the text starts from the right and moves left, ensuring it fits perfectly within the image. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To adjust the text positioning, the user should first calculate the width of the text they want to draw. This will help in determining the starting point for drawing the text from the right side of the image. Next, the user needs to set the origin point for the text. This point should be adjusted to ensure that the text starts drawing from the right edge of the image. Now, the user should update the drawing function to use this new origin point. This will ensure that the text is drawn correctly within the image boundaries. Finally, the user can test the updated extension with different text lengths to ensure that the text is always visible and properly positioned within the image. Fun fact. Did you know that the longest word in the English language is 189,819 letters long? Imagine trying to fit that in an image. Thankfully, we can manage our text much better. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using a function to get the bounding box for the text. This allows you to position the text correctly in the image. By calculating the X and Y coordinates based on the image size and text size, you can ensure the text fits within the right corner without being cut off. The user also suggests modifying the function to include a parameter for the corner where the text should be drawn. This allows for flexibility in positioning the text in any corner of the image. Here's a pro tip. Always check the width of your text before positioning it. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. Your text should now fit perfectly in the corner of your UI image. Remember, adjusting the origin point is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.